Chigs.
So this video, we're just going to be talking about our channel, what's it about, why we chose the name. Because, you know, certain videos you'll just be seeing me, or you'll see us together, or, you know, or you'll just be seeing like, yeah, him, or, me, but then I'll be doing something totally different without him, or vice versa. Right. So, we'll get into that now. So, basically, you know, our channel is called Co and Friends. So, Co is C for Chigs, and then O is my first name, Oniel, but I'd rather be called Nelly because Oniel is a whole mouthful to say. And then friends is just friends, family, anyone who is a part of our lives. And so that's where Co and Friends came from, and that's pretty much it. You know, like you'll literally be seeing us doing everything from us going out together, you know, me doing stuff, him doing stuff. Yeah, so you wanna say anything?
Yeah, for the most part, that's what our channel is like. Like she she did a video for her makeup, like that's gonna be coming out soon.
Yeah.
You know, Kayla did a video too.
And my sister. So like, you know, basically it's just like I said, Co and Friends. Like it's not just like one of those you know, it's nothing wrong with it, but it's not like a regular couples channel, you know. It's basically us. We're the main focus, but we want to base it more on like us and then people around us that we care for and we love, and we just want to put everyone in it that we, you know, we care for and stuff. Right. So that's why it's called Co and Friends. And
like we did a video with when we went bowling for Usman's birthday.
So basically, so that was like an example of what our channel is about. Like that video, which you guys should go watch, like and comment, subscribe more. It was just him, well, us, you know, celebrating our mutual friend's birthday. And then you know, before he graduated college, I graduated college, so then, you know, you saw videos of that. And then we went to Vegas, and that was for me because I graduated, and my mom surprised me with a
graduation trip.
Yeah, so it was my graduation trip, and then everyone came along on the ride with me. And then later on this weekend coming up, I've got a video coming out. But he won't be there because he won't be able to make it. He has work. So it would just be me. But there's a lot going on with that. So there's another video coming out this weekend coming up. So that's pretty much it with our channel and was based on. So yeah, you know, that's pretty much it with that. I think that's pretty much it.
That's pretty much it. I mean, it's not like, there's nothing wrong, like she said before, with like lovey-dovey channels and everything.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just that I feel like it makes more sense that we include people that we just want. I mean, you know, people that we love and care about, and we want to share this journey, you know, with you guys and with everybody else. So, you know, that's pretty much
pretty much it.
So,
like we said, we got mad videos that just uploaded. You know, you can comment down below, subscribe, like we've been saying, put the notification bell too, so you see every time a new video comes up. You know, like,
we're new. We're trying to get, excuse me. We're trying to get the hang of this. We're trying to post more videos because like we're pretty private. So it's like it's
new for us to
it's new for us to like post videos every day and like share what's going on with us, and you know, what's happening in our lives and
Right.
all that stuff, and it's just really weird. So like we're trying to get the ball rolling. So you know, just bear with us and support us, and
it's free to subscribe, like I said before.
yes, you guys, yes. So, you know, for those who are subscribing, thank you very much. And watching. Thanks. Yeah, so I think
that's it for the most part.
Yeah. That's what our channel's about.
Yeah.
That's why it's called Cohen Friends. Okay, so bye.